Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the Bahamas. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Bahamas, a country which is situated within the Liccayan archipelago of the West Indies in the Caribbean. The Bahamas is one of the richest countries in the Americas and relies heavily on tourism to generate most of its economic activity. The second most important economic sector is banking and offshore international financial services. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years, and as newer traders continue to enter the markets every day, beginners should consider finding themselves a globally regulated, safe, and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in the Bahamas and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a reliable and trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the Bahamas. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Avatrade. At number 4 on our list is FXPrimus. FXPrimus is an online broker founded in 2009, offering Forex trading, social trading, and is a global broker with a head office located in Cyprus. Regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive, and is used by over 10,000 traders. FXPrimus offers over 125 different instruments to trade, including 43 currency pairs, specializing in Forex, metals, energies, equities, cryptocurrencies, indices, and futures. Available platforms are provided on MetaTrader 4, which is supported on their web-based browser application, Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Standard, VIP, Variable, and ECN Premium accounts, with access to a wide range of advanced trading tools, multilingual customer support services, SMS alerts, daily market outlooks, one-on-one consultations, and more. FXPrimus also provides their very own educational center, which delves into weekly market analytics, general market commentary from expert guests, seminars, webinars, daily market news, trading calculators, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional trading education with FXPrimus. Coming in at number 3, we have FXPro. FXPro is an online fully regulated financial broker founded in 2006 with its head office located in the United Kingdom. FXPro provides traders with access to top-tier liquidity and advanced trade execution, with no dealing desk intervention, over 250 instruments, 70 currency pairs, and is regulated by the FCA, CY, SEC, FSCA, and the SCB. FXPro specializes in services and trading through Forex, metals, indices, futures, energies, and shares. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, FXPro CTrader, and the FXPro Trading Platform, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on MetaTrader 4 accounts with fixed and floating spreads, a CTrader and MetaTrader 5 account with floating spreads, as well as corporate, joint, VIP, Islamic, and demo accounts. FXPro also provides their very own educational center, which features beginner and advanced courses in financial trading, a news and analytics panel, a variety of helpful trading tools, video tutorials, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXPro. At number 2 on our list is Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Xinity Limited and is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own Beginner's Guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the Bahamas, we have OctaFX. OctaFX is an online broker that was established in 2011. and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Over 300,000 traders use OctaFX as their preferred financial broker. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on web-based browser applications, Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts feature MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader accounts, with floating spreads, lower minimum deposits, a variety of tradable market instruments, hedging, scalping, advisors, and more. OctaFX also provides their very own educational panels, which covers the basics to Forex trading, a collection of video tutorials, market insights and news, technical analysis panels, an economic calendar, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading education and knowledge with OctaFX. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in the Bahamas on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.